Commander-in-Chief, si Dr. Villena. Tapos lang ng kanyang clinic. Okay? At syempre, mas maganda pa kung simulan sa smile. Yan. Kaya why? Unang-una, napakaraming sakit ngayon, Miss Ping. Talagang kanina may pasyente ako, daming sakit. Isang pasyente siya na may cough. Nag-iisip ako yung bronchitis lang ba to, pero sana hindi congestion, no? So X-ray ako, ECG, tapos basta ang dami niya sakit, Miss Ping, lang sabi ko. Elderly to, senior citizen. So ganun po, sabi nga nila, ang isa sa dapat nyo talagang gawin is to smile and be happy. Okay? Para lumakas po ang immune system natin, malabanan po yung iba't ibang klase po ng mga mikrobyo at mapalakas po yung mga sistema ng ating katawan. Okay? Pangalawa, hindi lang nadadaan niya sa ngiti, Miss Ping, no? Sabi nga, smiling alone will not be enough to make you healthy. Okay, anong kailangan mong gawin? Well-balanced diet. Okay, may nakahanda akong saging dito, Miss Ping, sa gilid ko. Mamaya, yan. Okay, ini-intro mo na ako. Ang bilis kong umuya eh. Umuya na ako. Okay. Well-balanced diet. Next, lots of water. Next, yung hours of sleep talaga. Ito, i-reiterate namin ni Miss Ping. Lalo sa mga panahon. Although, sa lugar po din ni Miss Ping, medyo, alam ko magiging mababaw inyong mga tulog ngayon. Pero sa mga hindi naman po tinatamaan ng bagyo, please po, ang lagi sila sabi, 10:00 dapat tulog ka na talaga. Kaya nga, sabi ko, paano ko kaya gagawin ganun yung time? Kasi yung time natin, Miss Ping, parang, minsan nasa opisina pa kami ng 10. But nonetheless, for those whose work is from 8 to 5, nakaka-uwi ng bahay ng mga 6, 10 o'clock dapat tulog na kayo. Lalo na kung ang trabaho nyo talaga sa bahay. Okay, 10 o'clock. Why? Yun yung outburst ng melatonin, Miss Ping. Okay? Na talagang ang sarap ng tulog kapag ganon. Na magising ka ng alas 5, alas 6. Sabi nga sa mga nababasa ko ngayon sa mga napapanood ko sa internet, Miss Ping, yung 6 o'clock pagkagising mo kasi, basta pag pumutok na yung sunlight, dapat gising ka na. Yun. Okay? Pero yung mga medyo abnormal talaga ang hours of sleep, yung mga trabaho katulad ng mga onliners natin, Miss Ping, wala tayong choice kundi bumawi ng 7 hours to 8 hours sa umaga. Nang alam, Miss Ping, talagang tried ko na yan eh. Pag natutulog ako, kahit magising ako ng alas 7, alas 8, iba pa rin yung pakiramdam ko. Iba parang may kulang. Pero pag natulog ako ng 10, 11, lalo pag walang pasok, pag natsatsambahan natin, pagkagising mo ng 6, parang energetic ka. No? So please, okay? Yun yung mga kailangan bating gawin para po makabawi po tayo. Uy, nanonood din ngayon, Miss Ping, ito si Tita Ana Kudjamat Bailosis. Okay, napakasipag din po nito talaga, no? So, Tita, hopefully pag nakauwi ka ng Pilipinas ulit, magkita-kita po tayo sa Balayan, Batangas. Okay po. Now, eto na, Miss Ping, game na. Ano bang pag-uusapan, Miss Ping? What's the topic for today?
Yes, tamang-tama. Pag-uusapan natin vitamin C.
Good.
So, what is vitamin C? So, ayan. Ang dami pong pangalan, aka ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate, and calcium ascorbate found in various foods and also sold as a dietary supplement. So vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that is necessary for growth and development, and it has a well-documented health benefits.
Good. Okay, so madaming pangalan ha. Kasi, although ang pinakaunang sumikat talaga, Miss Ping, as far as my memory is concerned, ascorbic acid.
Parang doon talaga.
yan yung pinagmulan. Pero marami pa pong klase ng vitamin C. Yung sodium ascorbate, pag gusto mo alkaline, di ba? Calcium ascorbate. So pag-usapan natin ito, lahat yan maganda. Yun lang sabihin ko. Lahat yan maganda. Maliwanag po tayo ha. So vitamin C per se, all of them are said to be good for the body. Next, Miss Ping, bakit daw? Ano bang uses? Okay? Tayo.
Yes, ito na po yung mga uses ng vitamin C. So una-una, for growth and repair of tissues in all parts of the body. Good. It is used to treat colds and diseases like cancer and diabetes. Next, it supports immune function and protects from viral diseases, prevents from getting scurvy, and acts as antioxidant, helping to protect cells from the damage caused by free radicals from exposure to toxins and pollutants.
And these toxins includes first or second-hand smoke, exposure to and the metabolism breakdown of recreational and prescription drugs. So kung susumahin po natin talaga, maraming silbi ang vitamin C. Maliwanag po. Huwag mo na sabing treat eh. Sige, huwag na treat. To help. Kaya in the management of colds and diseases, if that's the best word for that. Okay? So again, dito pa lang alam mo na kailangan mo yan. Okay? So, usapin yan pa lang, alam mo na, we need to take vitamin C. Maliwanag po. So, again pakishare na po ito sa ating Facebook page, Facebook account, okay? Kasi maganda po itong topic ito. Habang nag-start pa lang po tayo, kindly share this, okay, to your Facebook page and Facebook account. Now, let's continue, Miss Ping. Ano bang napiprevent, okay, ng vitamin C pag eksakto ang inom natin yan?
Yes, ito na po. It prevents quick aging,
Mhm.
stroke, cholesterol stroke, circulatory disease, rheumatism, streptococcal infections, cancer, asthma, varicose veins, viral or bacterial infection, allergies, amoebic dysentery, gallbladder disease or gallstones, cataracts, alcohol or drug withdrawal, and influenza.
So marami So sabi nga nila, "Dok, kalaban namin ng vitamin C, antioxidant lang, maganda lang siya sa respiratory system." Okay, hindi pala gano'n. Marami po siyang function. Tumutulong kasi talaga ang vitamin C na magpalakas ng ating katawan. Maliwanag po tayo, okay? Now, let's continue with this. Ano ba mga benefits if you will be taking vitamin C, Miss Ping?
Yes, so unang-una, antioxidant capabilities.
Yes.
Second, it reduces risk of heart disease.
Mhm.
Number 3, it promotes cardiovascular health. It may slow cancer growth. It reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease and
Nice.
boosts function of the immune system, supports optimal eye and skin health, improves absorption of iron, and for growth, development, and repair of all body tissues.
So as you can see here, okay, sabi nga, Doc, of all body tissues, yun. That is according to medical studies. Although mamaya, magpapakita kami ng mga studies na ginawa ng ating pong manufacturer. Maliwanag po tayo. Now, idiretso pa natin So dito pa lang, medyo mag-iisip ko na okay pala to, no? Cardiovascular system, immune system, okay, integumentary system, ayos Okay? Now, let's try to continue with this. So, vitamin C deficiency, anong nangyayari? Ba't daw ba nagkakaroon ng deficiency, Miss Ping? What adds up or aggravates the condition, Miss Ping?
Yes, so some individuals has vitamin C deficiency, and this includes smokers, individuals who don't eat enough fruits and vegetables, those infants who consume evaporated or boiled milk, and people with malabsorption and some chronic diseases.
Yan. Okay, So, yung mga evaporated milk po, hindi siya nakakatulong. Maliwanag po tayo, Lalo yung mga malabsorption. Ano ba yung malabsorption? Ito yung talagang hindi mo ma-absorb ng maganda yung mga nutrients na nakakain mo. Yun ang problema niyan. Okay? And pag sinabi yung chronic diseases, ito naman yung mga pangmatagalang mga sakit. But to sum it up, please eat fruits and vegetables. Yun ang isa sa pinaka-basic. Alam mo, kahit ano pang tingnan mo no? Kahit saan ka pa tuming angulo, Miss Ping, di ba? Lagi sinasabi dyan, if you want enough levels of antioxidants, of vitamins, then the first thing that you have to do is what? Eat fruits and vegetables. Yan, mandatory yan. Next, ano ba yung mga pwedeng maging sinyalis sa simptomas, Miss Ping, pag kulang ka na sa vitamin C?
Yes, ito po yung mga signs and symptoms ng vitamin C deficiency. So the first one is feeling fatigue. Second is bruising easily.
Yes.
Third, bleeding of the gums. Fourth, pain in the joints. And lastly, iron deficiency anemia.
So, hindi po maganda. Inuulit po namin, hindi siya magandang sakit. Okay, kaya nga, at that's why we would like to reiterate, please, dapat alam mo na enough talaga yung level mo ng vitamin C. Maliwanag po tayo. Now, ang tanong, ba't mo kailangan ng vitamin C? Yan. Miss Ping, bakit nga ba?
Yes, so we need extra vitamin C itong reasons. Humans, unlike most animals, are unable to synthesize vitamin C endogenously.
Yun ang problema. Okay. So, diretso mo, Miss Ping. Explain natin yung
Okay?
mga yan.
O, sige. Second, since vitamin C is water soluble, our bodies have low retention for it, and
And
which means that we need to get it from an exogenous source.
when you talk about endogenously, sa loob ng katawan, hindi natin kayang gumawa ng sarili nating vitamin C. Kaya, simple ang pag-rationalize, kailangan mo ng exogenous source or outside source. Maliwanag po ba? Ulitin natin ha. Fruits, vegetables, vitamins, supplements. Yun yung mga pwede mong sources. Doc, water-soluble. When you talk about water-soluble vitamins, especially vitamin C or yung tinatawag na B and C, yan yung mga water-soluble. Ito yung sumasama ka agad sa tubig, kaya pag uminom ka niyan, ang excess ito, iihi mo ka agad. Yun ang problema ng vitamin C. Maliwanag po tayo, kaya kailangan natin ng extra source. Okay, now, Miss Ping, ang dami na daw vitamin C. Tama. Ang tanong dyan, paano tayo makikipag-compete? Paano nga ba, Miss Ping?
Okay, so why compete when you can use the blue ocean strategy? So
Dalawa
yan
po ang
po ang
klase ng
meron tayo. Oo.
tama. Dalawa po ang klase ng strategy. Meron pong red ocean at meron pong blue ocean. Ito na po yung babanggitin namin ng Miss Ping. Paano nga ba ang difference, Miss Ping?
Yes, so ito na ha, nakita nyo yung red dyan sa kabila, yan syempre yung red ocean strategy. Yung sa atin, itong blue ocean strategy. So first, sa red ocean, compete in existing market space. While sa blue ocean strategy, create uncontested market space. Second, sa red, it beat the competition, while sa blue, it make the competition irrelevant.
Yun ang
Sa
magandang
red, explore existing demand, while in blue, create and capture new demand. For the
Then,
red, it make the value cost trade-off, while the blue, it breaks the value cost trade-off. And
nice.
lastly, for the red, it's align the whole system of a firm's activities with its strategic choice of differentiation or low cost. While sa blue, it's align the whole system of a firm's activities in pursuit of differentiation and low cost.
Kasi nga, since wala ka masyadong kalaban sa market, pwede kang mag-dictate ng presyo mo. Pwede mong pababain yan. That's number one. Okay? Tapos syempre, magka-capture ka ng new demand. Sabi nga we must be able to adapt, di ba? Kung ano yung needs natin. Kasi nga, evolving tayong lahat So, pati yung mga, dati nga, Miss Ping, di ba? Wala naman tayong cellphone. Parang ganun kasimple, di ba? Ng mga bata tayo, di ba? Pag may telepono ka nga sa bahay mo noon, sikat na sikat ka na Pero ngayon, lahat may cellphones na. Nag-evolve na. Okay, kaya kasi ang ginagawa nila pagandahan na ngayon ng mga cellphones. Okay? And, again, wala kang kalaban sa market space. Yun. Kaya yung competition is irrelevant. Maliwanag? Now, sabi ni Badok, walang competition. Di ba, vitamins din yan, vitamin C rin. We will explain that later on. Ngayon, Miss Ping, ito na. Okay, ano ba tong ating produkto, Miss Ping?
Yes, so ang ating product is C Supreme Ascorbic Acid. Your new generation, new normal, new smart vitamin C.
New Smart Vitamin C. Okay. Pag-usapan natin itong mga to, Miss Ping. Unang-una sabi nga dito, it is 100% all natural. Okay, Sabi po dito Doc, so pag sinabi mong natural, safe na safe inumin niya mga yan. Yes. Pero babagatin pa rin po namin ni Miss Ping, ano ba yung mga dapat nating bantayan? Yan. Sa pag-inom ng vitamin C. We're gonna explain that to you later on. Ngayon, non-GMO, ano yan? Kasi may mga produkto, may mga vitamins, may mga food supplements, Miss Ping, na minsan genetically engineered and altered or modified. Ito wala. Wala siyang alteration, hindi siya minodify, okay? Wala siyang kumbaga natural. Okay? Walang ginawang chemical na pagbabago, okay, na masasabi mong talagang makakaapekto dun sa produkto. Now, is allergen free? So, ibig sabihin, Dok, wala mag-allergy. Hopefully, talagang wala. Then, it is generally recognized as safe. Okay, by the US FDA, by the FDA of the Philippines. It's clinically studied, may Koshi rating, pwede sa mga ating mga Hudyo na kapatid, pwede po sa mga Muslim na kapatid kasi may halal rating po ito. At ang covering nito is vegetable capsule. Yun ang advantages niyan. Diyan pa lang masasabi mo lang, Doc, talagang maganda yung produkto. And it contains 500 milligrams of vitamin C. Now, Miss Ping, ano ba yung C Supreme, Miss Ping?
Yes, so C Supreme is a revolutionary organic formulation of vitamin C enhanced with lipid metabolites and citrus bioflavonoids complex.
Okay, binanggit na ni Miss Ping yung mga magic words. Vitamin C with citrus bioflavonoids complex and lipid metabolites. Okay, Miss Ping, ano ba mga sinasabing pwedeng maging advantages nito?
Yes, our C Supreme, it is a clinically tested form of vitamin C with proven superior delivery, superior bioavailability, and extreme absorption kinetics.
So, mas mabilis ma-absorb, it's available in our body, and mabilis siyang ma-deliver sa mga cells ng katawan natin. Yan ang pag-usapan. And,
with higher cellular concentration.
sabi nga nila, Doc, di ba water soluble? Paano makakapasok basta-basta ng cells yan? Yun ang mga i-explain namin ni Miss Ping ngayon. Game na tayo, Miss Ping. And of course,
meron pa siyang longer retention.
Game na tayo. Okay, ha? Now, ang C Supreme natin is with
supreme absorption, supreme retention, and supreme performance.
Game, Miss Ping. Pag-usapan na natin, paano daw ba na iba ang C Supreme sa mga ibang vitamins? Ano bang differences talaga? Okay. Banggitin na natin, Miss Ping.
Ito na po yung comparison. Makikita niyo po yung dalawang table. Dito na una is the regular vitamin C. These are the plain ascorbic acid, the sodium ascorbate, and the calcium ascorbate. On the other table is our C Supreme. So when it comes to storage, with regular vitamin C, it doesn't make its way to fatty tissue such as fat cells.
Tama.
While sa C Supreme, stored in fatty part of the membrane that makes up the cells of the body. So in regular vitamin C, the amount of vitamin C that gets into your cell is much less than the amount that is in the bloodstream.
So since ang ating C Supreme po ay merong lipid metabolites, okay? Yun yung safe vegetable waxes. Kumbaga, isipin niyo mabuti molecularly speaking, yung components na ascorbic acid niya napapaligiran, nababalutan po ng mga lipid metabolites. So, ang ating pong cell membrane, by lipid membrane, papakita ko po yung picture mamaya sa inyo, sabi nga po yung pinaka gitna nitong membrane na to, may lipid part yan. Since ito naman po ay meron siya tinatawag na lipid metabolites, kaya niya mag-penetrate ngayon sa loob ng mga cells natin. Kaya, ano nangyayari ngayon? Magandang storage niya. Maganda rin absorption. Miss Ping, paano ba yung absorption nito?
Yes, with regular vitamin C, it is distributed through the circulation and will be excreted in your urine. While in our C Supreme, it is supremely absorbed and retained in the serum at higher levels than other forms of vitamin C.
Kasi nga po, because of the so-called lipid metabolites. Kaya, so, tandaan mabuti, kinukumpara natin to sa mga plain vitamins or vitamin C. And we would like to repeat, may ascorbic acid, merong citrus bioflavonoids complex, at nababalutan ng lipid metabolites ang C Supreme. What else, Miss Ping? Let's talk about retention, performance, and credibility. Yan.
Yes, with regular vitamin C, retention is low, while in C Supreme, it has supreme bioavailability and retention in cells compared to other forms of vitamin C. Sa performance, with regular vitamin C, less efficient, while sa C Supreme, it outperforms other forms of vitamin C in metabolic function such as antioxidant and free radical scavenging activity. When it comes to credibility, our regular vitamin C is approximately 80% of the world's vitamin C produced from China, while C Supreme is manufactured in a GMP-certified USA facility, GMP as defined by the FDA, and the rigorous laboratory testing being done in order to guarantee purity and potency.
Yun ang kanyang kagandahan. Maliwanag po tayo. So, sabi nga, Doc, so Amerika to. Yes, USA po ito. Okay, siya nga pala, before we further continue, Miss Ping, watching right now is si Elizabeth Abogado, tawag ito si attorney eh.
Kay
Okay?
abogado na.
Oo, si Abogado. At si Ma'am Irene de Rosario Orlido of course, from Palawan. Ang Palawan po baka tamaan din. So, tita, we're
Mm.
praying na maging safe po tayo dyan. Okay po. Now, let's continue with this. So, USA, alam mo naman pag mga gawang USA, Miss Ping, quality yan. Maliwanag po tayo. It's a quality product, quality vitamin C. Ngayon, hindi pa tapos yun. Pinag-uusapan na ang quality sa reliability. Talaga bang
Yes.
maganda ang quality, Miss Ping? Paano ba yan?
With regular vitamin C, the quality usually are synthetic and derived from genetically modified corn and
Mhm.
processed with chemicals like acetone. While C Supreme, the quality is 100% natural ingredients,
Mhm.
vegan, non-GMO, kosher
Yes.
and halal certified, allergen-free, and GRAS affirmed.
Okay. Generally recognized as safe. Yan. Affirmed po yan. Miss Ping, yung reliability.
Yes, sa regular vitamin C, reliability is a majority of vitamin C brands has no human clinical research. While with our C Supreme, it is backed by published, peer-reviewed medical research journals.
Yun ang maganda. Alam niyo po sa profesyon namin ni Miss Ping, doktor, nurse po, okay, mga medtech, pharmacist, mas kampante kaming mag-prescribe ng mga food supplements, especially synthetic medications, kung merong clinical studies. Okay? Yun yung kaganda. Kaya nga, daling-dali kami ni Miss Ping mag-explain itong C Supreme. Gusto namin ini-explain to. Why? Kasi marami siyang medical research and journals na mismo yung ating manufacturer ang siyang gumawa. Maliwanag po. Okay. Explain natin, Miss Ping. Paano ba? Saan ba ginagawa yung C Supreme natin?
So our C Supreme is made with Pure Whey. Yan, Pure Whey from 135 San Lorenzo Avenues, Suite 850 Coral Gables, Florida, USA.
Yon, sabi nga Pure Whey C, antioxidant super nutrient. Wow. So game tayo, Miss Ping Ito na po. May mga taong involved. Siyempre, yung tinatawag natin the AIM World Wellness Advisory Council. Siyempre, spearheaded by our Chief Executive Officer, the Chairman of AGG, Dr. Eduardo Cabantog. Maliwanag po tayo. Okay, and may kasama pa dyan si Dr. Pedro Perez. PhD po ito. Okay, mamaya po babagitin namin ano ba ang naging role ni Dr. Pedro Perez dun sa ating pong produkto. Okay, game tayo, Miss Ping Pag-usapan natin to. Ito na, ang ating produkto, Miss Ping.
Yes, ito na po yung C Supreme with exclusive natural herbal formulation from Pure Whey C. Meron siyang vitamin C, United States of Pharmacopoeia L-ascorbic acid. Second, meron siyang citrus bioflavonoids complex. Third,
Tama.
meron siyang lipid metabolites which is
Yep.
generally recognized as safe vegetable waxes.
Mhm.
So our C Supreme have undergone proprietary microencapsulation technology to optimize long-term stability and to enhance therapeutic efficacy.
Ito na po yung sinasabi namin. Again, yung vitamin C, molecularly speaking, binalutan ng lipid metabolites, safe vegetable waxes. Okay? So, Doc, ang tanong ng iba, ano ngayon na naging advantage nun? Pag-usapan natin yan, okay? So, Miss Ping, sabi nga dito meron daw siyang mga clinical research. Ano bang sinasabi, Miss Ping?
Yes, it is supported by clinical research, first reliable and peer-reviewed medical journals, next positive and superior results in humans when compared to other forms of vitamin C preparations. Third, it provides a clinically substantiated dose composition. And
Yes.
lastly, it works faster and stays longer at the cellular level.
Very good. Okay, so ano natin may peer-reviewed medical journals. Ngayon, Miss Ping, eto na yung tanong. Ba't daw ba mas matindi ang absorption at retention ng C Supreme kumpara dun sa ibang produkto na vitamin C? Ano nga bang naging advantages, Miss Ping?
Yes, sa first advantage, when it comes sa meron siyang citrus bioflavonoids composition. So C Supreme with citrus bioflavonoids protects the vitamin C from the oxidizers in the body and
Yon.
support the ability to protect against chronic inflammatory diseases, improve immune system function, and help heal wounds.
Very good, Miss Ping. Sabi nga medyo hinaharangan niya yung mga oxidizers o yung mga free radicals. Maliwanag po tayo. So, nape-preserve niya yung vitamin C. Okay? Napoprotect siya lang kasi. Tapos, binalutan pa, Miss Ping Ano yung ibinalot, Miss Ping?
Yes, meron siyang lipid metabolites formula. So, C Supreme lipid metabolites allows ascorbic acid to enter cells more quickly in a safe and effective manner, acting as ascorbic acid carriers to increase intestinal absorption and
Mhm.
tissue distribution of vitamin C and enhance cellular uptake kinetics.
O para hindi niyo po makalimutan, i-type niyo po dyan. Una po yung type ninyo, ascorbic acid. Type niyo po ascorbic acid. Pangalawa po yung type natin, citrus bioflavonoids complex. Okay? Citrus bioflavonoids. Okay? Pangatlong type nyo, lipid metabolites. Yan. Okay, yan yung tatlong major compositions, okay, ng ating pong C Supreme. Kaya doon pa lang alam mo ng angat ito sa ibang klase ng vitamin C. Klaro po tayo. Sige, type nyo po ascorbic acid, citrus bioflavonoids, lipid metabolites. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, game na tayo, Miss Ping. Explain natin to. Okay. Paano daw ba yung mechanism of absorption, Miss Ping? Ano ba nakasulat dito?
Yes, so paano po na-absorb ito? Unang-una sa first barrier, from oral intake to gastrointestinal tract. So it is stomach-friendly formulation.
Ganito ho yan. Uy, watching right now is our leader from Gensan, si Joseph Algesta Francisco. Brad, hope to see you soon.
Si
Yan.
Jeff.
Okay, Oo. Ito na si Mafe Nacionales. Nag-type na ng ascorbic acid. Okay? So, ganito po. Ininom ko yung vitamin C natin, C Supreme. Okay? Siyempre, from the mouth, it will enter the esophagus, it will pass through the esophagus, then will go inside the stomach. May acid po doon. Okay? But since, okay, natunaw po yung capsule, siyempre po, yun ang function ng mga acid natin. But since meron po siyang tinatawag na citrus bioflavonoids complex, saka po yung lipid metabolites, haharangan ngayon niya yung vitamin, yung acid para hindi masira yung vitamin C components ng ating produkto. Maliwanag po tayo doon. So, yun yung pinaka-function ng lipid metabolites. Now, from the stomach, Miss Ping, saan ngayon pupunta yan?
Yes, ito na yung second barrier. From bloodstream into intracellular membrane.
Good. So, from there, from the stomach, it will now proceed to your intestines. Maliwanag po tayo Papasok ngayon yan sa blood vessels natin. It will now flow with the blood. Nakikita niyo po dito, di ba? It will flow with the blood. Nakita na yung mga cells ngayon, Miss Ping. Inuulit natin yung mga cells natin, nababalutan niya ng eto yung balot niyan, by lipid layer. Okay, by lipid layer. Mga fats din yan. But the advantage is that, since may lipid metabolites po, yung ating produkto, it can be able to pass through. Okay, makakalagpas ngayon siya. Maliwanag po tayo. Yun ang naging advantage po noon. Kaya nga, mas matindi ang kanyang retention, okay, absorption, kumpara sa ibang klase ng vitamin C. Yan. Klaro po tayo. Maliwanag ang usapan natin doon. So again, Miss Ping, ano bang sinabi nung kinumpara po ito sa iba't ibang klase ng vitamin C? Number one is what?
Yes, so it has superior absorption and retention by the human body because meron siyang 233% higher than other forms of vitamin C.
Yun. Okay. Isa pa lang to mamaya ulit-ulitin natin yung mga yan So kinumpara saan? Ester C, ascorbic acid, calcium ascorbate. So different kinds of vitamin C were used para magkaroon ng magandang comparison. Ito pa, Miss Ping, ano pang tinignan dito?
Yes, with rapid fibroblast healing, meron siyang 300% more efficient than other forms of vitamin C compared to ascorbic acid, calcium ascorbate, and ester C.
So kung kayo po yung magkakasugat, okay, mas mabilis po ang healing kung maganda po ang inyong vitamin C level sa ating katawan. That again is one of the advantages of C Supreme compared to other kinds of wonderful vitamins na available din po sa market. Maliwanag po. Hindi ko sinasabing pangit yung ibang vitamins. Lahat yan maganda. Pero di hamak po sa clinical studies, mas maganda po yung C Supreme. Okay? Now, what else, Miss Ping? Ito pa.
Yes, so it delivers 12% more antioxidant and 11% higher free radical scavenging activities.
Okay. Tingnan niyo pong mabuti. Ano sinabi dito ngayon? Nagkaroon ng studies, ano? Tinignan ngayon yung ORAC method. Okay. Ano yung ORAC method? Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity. Yan po yung ORAC. So, ano nakita nila? Uy, okay? Etong ORAC method measures the antioxidant capacity of a substance. Mas mataas yung ORAC value ng C Supreme. Hindi lang yan, pati pa yung DPPH method, that's the alpha dipenyl beta picryl hydrazine. Ano naman yon? It will allow you to determine the free radical scavenging ability, which is related to their antioxidative activities. And true enough, mas maganda rin po ang DPPH, okay, ng ating pong C Supreme kumpara po sa ibang klase ng vitamin C available in the market. Maliwanag po tayo. Yan. So, meron ka ng antioxidant, meron ka pang free radical scavenging activities. Now, let's continue, Miss Ping. So, sinuman muna nila dito eh. Ano bang nakita nilang nangyari, Miss Ping?
Yes, so in summary, C Supreme has a powerful antioxidant known to reduce inflammation, protect cells from cancer-causing damage, and defends against cardiovascular disease. It helps prevent iron deficiencies by boosting iron absorption,
Good.
and it is essential for the growth and repair of all body tissues. It also protects memory and cognitive thinking throughout the aging process and effectively strengthens the immune system against viruses.
Ang daming function. Cardiovascular, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, pati iron absorption for growth. Ako, sabi ko nga lagi, pag nagbibiro ako, mukhang kinulang ako ng vitamin C nung bata ako ha. And pati sa memory and cognitive thinking. Yun ang isa sa gustong-gusto ko dito. So if you would like to improve your memory, yung cognitive thinking, ay kailangan mo to. At syempre, strengthen your immune system, panglaban sa mga viruses, sa mga bacteria, and so on and so forth. That will be the advantages of C Supreme. Now, ang tanong, talaga bang may clinical studies? Miss Ping, ipakita na natin. Ano ba mga nakita? Facts. Let's talk about facts.
Yes, so fact number 1, C Supreme has 12% more antioxidant delivery compared to other forms of vitamin C such as plain ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate, calcium ascorbate in many human clinical trials.
Good. Supreme absorption, ibig sabihin. Why again? Tandaan niyo mabuti po ha. Hindi lang siya vitamin C ascorbic acid. Meron din po siyang citrus bioflavonoids complex. Are we clear so far? Yan. Next po. Si Supreme, fact number 2 is what, Miss Ping?
Yes, so fact number 2, C Supreme has 233% higher retention of vitamin C in the human body compared to other forms of vitamin C.
Why again? Kasi nga, meron siyang tinatawag na lipid metabolites. Na-cover siya, di ba? And because of that lipid metabolites, mas mabilis siyang ma-retain sa ating katawan. Okay, so higher retention, gaano kataas? 233%. And fact number 3.
Yes, so number 3, C Supreme is 300% more efficient in promoting fibroblast and collagen healing compared to other forms of vitamin C in many human clinical trials.
Sinabi na namin kanina, pag uy, Doc, collagen, fibroblast, ano ba yung mga yan? Part of our connective tissues. Maliwanag po tayo. So yung collagen is very important. It comprises 30% of the total proteins of the body. So napopromote niya yung collagen healing. Ibig sabihin, pag nagkakasugat po tayo, okay, mabilis ang paghilom. Yun ang kagandahan nito. And remember this, as we age especially, we need collagen. That's why we also need to take vitamin C. Klaro po tayo. Number 4, Miss Ping, is what?
Yes, so C Supreme has 64% higher reduction in plasma levels of C-reactive proteins compared to other vitamin C.
And what then is C-reactive proteins? These are biomarkers of our body for diseases and inflammation. So, ibig sabihin, pag gumaganda ang level ng iyong C-reactive, pag nababawasan ang level ng C-reactive proteins, okay, pag nababawasan ang level niya, nare-reduce mo yan, it only means of one thing, nakakaiwas tayo sa mga iba't ibang klase ng sakit, saka yung mga tinatawag na inflammation or swelling in our body. Doon pa lang, lamang na yan. Number 5, Miss Ping, is what?
Yes, so number 5, C Supreme is 250% more efficient in protecting the immune system from toxin.
And there are different kinds of toxins, even from the food that we eat, from the environment na pwede mo ma-inhale. So, ang function po nito, patibayin, protection ng immune system, para po pag nakapasok talaga yung mga mikrobyo, malalabanan po ng mga immune system natin yan, okay? Ng ating matibay na pangdepensa. Klaro po tayo, laban sa mga toxins especially. Number 6 is what, Miss Ping?
So C Supreme has 83% more reduction of oxidized LDL cholesterol.
And when you talk about oxidized LDL cholesterol, it is said to be the bad carriers of cholesterol. It's a biomarker for cardiovascular risk. So again, my dear leaders, if you're thinking that vitamin C is just a simple vitamins, hindi. Marami siyang function. Lalo na po para mabawasan po yung mga bad carriers ng cholesterol. Let me try to repeat this, Tandaan niyo po, okay? Ang cardiovascular risk, napakatindi na ngayon, is Ping, di ba, no? Pag sinabi yung cardiovascular risk, hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, stroke is part of which, okay? Pati na rin po yung tinatawag na myocardial infarction or heart attack. Yan na. Okay? And number 7 will be dealing about what?
C Supreme has 11% more free radical scavenging activities using ORAC and DPPH method.
Ito na po yung sinabi namin kanina sa inyo, no? So, pag sinabi mong maganda yung ORAC value mo, mataas ang yung level ng antioxidant. Pag sinabi mo namang meron kang magandang DPPH method, it means maganda rin ang yung free radical scavenging activity. Yun ang lamang ng C Supreme. And for the last study na gustong-gusto ko is what, Miss Ping?
Yes, itong last C Supreme has 1,200% more stimulation of healthy neurons and nerve regeneration.
Mamaya babagitin namin ni Miss Ping sa inyo yung studies niyan, okay? Pero to sum it up, my dear leaders, okay? Hindi na sinabi yung tinatawag na re-epithelialization that also involves your respiratory system. Maganda pa mga vitamin C as an antioxidant and also for re-epithelialization na kailangan po ng mga mucosa po natin. Isa rin po sa advantages yon ng ascorbic acid. Okay? Now, siyempre, may mga laboratoryong ginawa para lalong patunayan kung gaano kaganda yung produkto natin. Ano bang nakita, Ms. Ping, sa laboratory research na in vitro?
Yes, it shows protection of the nervous system by promoting the survival of the nerve cells. It delivers effective antioxidant and free radical scavenging activity,
Tama.
enhances normal wound healing by improving the function of collagen-secreting fibroblast cells, and has a greater protective effect on immune cells that have been exposed to toxins.
Yun ang kagandahan nun. Maganda ang function ng nerves mo, ng nervous system natin. May antioxidant ka, maganda ang panglaban mo sa free radicals, mabilis ang paghilom ng sugat. Okay. Ano pang, sabi nga, doon pa lang talagang iinom ako niyan, definitely. Ngayon, yun yung in vitro laboratorio. Ito naman yung human clinical studies, Miss Ping. Ano bang nakita?
So it shows better absorbed and retained in the serum at higher levels than other forms of vitamin C. It decreases blood levels of a common marker of an imbalanced immune response and decreases blood levels of a common marker of oxidative stress.
So again, antioxidant, gumaganda ang ating immune response, okay? Tapos po, mabilis ma-absorb, mas matindi ang retention. Now, ano bang sinabi dito? To sum it up.
Yes, so to sum it up, all comparative research studies in vitro and in humans demonstrate that C Supreme with Pure Whey C has superior capabilities when compared to other forms of vitamin C like sodium ascorbate, calcium ascorbate, plain ascorbic acid, and ester C.
Para patibayin pa, although pasensya na po, medyo may kalabuan po ito at ang aming mga bata po ni Miss Ping medyo hirap basahin to. Pero doon na lang tayo sa pinaka-title. Okay, eto na si Pedro P. Perez, si Dr. Pedro P. Perez, isa po sa ating, sabi nga mga mga brains behind this wonderful product. Okay po, ano bang sinabi sa studies na ginawa ni Dr. Pedro Perez sa ni Dr. Benjamin S. Weeks, Miss Ping?
So a novel vitamin C preparation
Preparation,
enhances the
neurite formation, and fibroblast addition, and reduces xenobiotic-induced T-cell hyperactivation. So sabi nga nila, Doc, neurite, hindi ba yan yung mga parang extension ng ating pong mga neurons? Yes. So ibig sabihin doon pa lang po, lalo niyang nai-enhance, napapaganda yung function ng ating mga nerves, ng ating mga neurons. Maliwanag po tayo. So isa po yun sa strength, okay, ng ating pong magandang produkto. Yan. And syempre, yung pangalawang study, Miss Ping, is, ako na, malabo Miss Ping, ano? Absorption rates and free radical scavenging values of vitamin C lipid metabolites in human lymphoblastic cells. So, mas magandang ma-absorb po, okay, yung ating pong produkto. Yun ang kagandahan po, okay, ng C Supreme, okay, ng AIM Global Group. Yan. So again, Miss Ping, 100% natural. It is non-GMO, allergen-free, may GRAS, clinically studied, may kosher, may halal, at napapaligiran po ito ng vegetable capsule. Ayan. Miss Ping, mabanggit lang ito. You can take a picture of this sa ating po mga kasama. If you would like to know yung recommended dietary allowance, adequate intake, tolerable upper intake level, at syempre, nung ating mga vitamin C. Yan. Miss Ping, basa mo pa ba to?
hindi masyado.
Malabo na, no? So, ako na lang, Miss Ping.
Oo.
So, as you can see here, hindi ko na po i-isa-isa yan. May mga age. Okay? Pag 0 to 6 pala, dapat mga 40 milligrams lang yan. Pag 7 to 12, dapat mga 50 milligrams lang po yung vitamin C po natin. Then, according to your level, tumataas yung level. Tama po. Now, my dear partners, yung pinakadulo po, yung pinaka-right side, yun ang tolerable upper intake level. Dok, pwede ko bang inumin ng ganyan? Ibig sabihin, 2,000 milligrams, 500 milligrams, 4 na capsule per day. Sa akin, hindi masyado ako nagre-recommend ng ganon. Unless, talagang proven na talagang sobrang baba ng vitamin C level mo. Maliwanag po. But it should be, let me repeat the words, it should be prescribed by a physician. Maliwanag po. Kaya, hindi basta-basta, pwede tayong magbigay ng 4, wag ganon. Okay? Kasi, sabihin na namin ni Miss Ping, ngayon na namin sabihin to, we usually recommend 500 milligrams of vitamin C sa mga 18 years old papataas. Okay? Tapos, pag nag-recommend tayo ng once a day, yun yung sa mga pang-maintenance. Pero kung may ubo, may sipon, may lagnat, then we give it 2 times a day. Ako hanggang, Miss Ping, hanggang 2 times a day lang talaga ako magbigay ng vitamin C. Hanggang 1,000 milligrams lang. I don't go with the 2,000 kasi meron tayong fear dyan na baka mamaya mag-develop ng mga kidney stones. Yun naman po yun. Yan. Okay, So, ito, sama lang namin to, yung Vicks formula. Dagdag kaalaman lang po ito para po malaman po ninyo yung timbang ng inyong mga anak kung tama ba o mali. Kung underweight siya, okay, or eksakto. Miss Ping, paano nga ba yung Vicks formula na yan?
Yes, so for 3 to 12 months, ang computation natin, expected weight in kilograms is equals to age in months plus 9/2.
Yes. Next.
For 1 to 6 years old, expected weight in kilograms is equals to age in years times 2 plus 8.
Yes.
And for 7 to 12 years old, expected weight in kilograms equals age in years times 7 minus 5/2.
Miss Ping, bibigyan natin sila ng guide. Kaya, for example, ang anak nyo 7 months old. Yan. Okay, So, yung mga nakikinig po ngayon, So, 7 months. Tama, 18 months yan. Plus 9 is 16. Tama? Divided by 2, 8 kilos. Maliwanag po tayo doon. So, kung ang anak mo po ay 7 months old na po, normally, isipin mo, dapat nasa mga 8 kilos na yan. Maliwanag ba tayo? Yan. Kung mababa doon, teka lang, baka underweight na ito. Yan. Okay. Next. Next age group tayo. 1 to 6. Sige. Doon tayo sa 4 years old na bata. Anong sinabi? 4 times 2 is how much? 8 plus 8, 16 kilos. Okay, so ang isang 4 years old na bata, dapat mga 16 kilos na. Paano yung mas matanda pa dun? Yung mga 7 to 12 years old. O, doon na tayo sa 10 years old, Miss Ping. Okay? 10 times 7 is 70. Minus 5, 65. Divided by 2, that will be 32.5 kilos po dapat ang isang 10 years old na bata. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yan. Ganun po ha. So, picturean nyo na yan. Okay, para pa yung mga nanonood po ngayong mga nanay at mga tatay. Okay? O may mga apo, mga lolo't lola, matingnan nyo po kung yun po mga mahal sa buhay, mga bata, eksakto ba ang timbang o hindi? Okay, kung hindi po, dalhin na po yan sa mga doktor, especially po sa mga pediatricians. Okay? Are we clear? Yan. Yan yung mga tinuturo namin ni Miss Ping sa aming mga estudyante, sa mga nurses, sa mga medical students. Okay po, kasi diyan namin, kaya ang mga doktor pag nag-compute yan, sa utak na lang kabisado na. Nagtataka iba, Dok, grabe, alam mo na kagad yun. Kasi nga po, yan yung mga lagi naming minimemorya. Okay, and that is needed to be known also by the parents. Maliwanag po? Ayos! So, that's it. Diyan muna tayo. Okay? So, direct. Yan. Pakitanggal po muna. Babalikan natin yan mamaya. Okay? So, maliwanag tayo ha. Maganda usapan natin. Now, Miss Ping, bago tayo tumuntong sa ating Q&A, ano ba muna ang dapat nilang itanong? Okay, ano bang dapat kasama sa mga katanungan nila? Excuse me. Game pa Miss Ping.
Yes, ayan makikita nyo sa baba for our consultation sa mga katanungan nyo. Please include number 1 yung age, edad ng inyong client or patient. Second, include nyo rin ang kanilang mga diagnosis, no? Doctor's diagnosis, ano yung findings or ano yung sakit talaga ng yung pasyente. Number 3, laboratory results, pag meron, include nyo. And lastly, yung medications na iniinom niya. It might be yung prescribed na gamot sa kanya or maintenance medication. So include nyo po para po mas akmang-akma po ang recommendations ni Dr. Booth sa inyong client or sa inyong patient.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, So, edad, doctor's diagnosis, laboratory results, and medication. Uy, si Kuya Jun Arabaca is watching right now. Kuya Jun, pinoprost na po namin. Okay, may mga konti na lang po kaming kailangan ayusin sa cardio pulse po sa CDO. Okay, and malapit na po yan, Kuya Jun, kasi napadala na po namin dun yung device. Pero, syempre, may inaayos po sa computer Okay, so very soon, Kuya Jun Arabaca. Miss ko na to si Kuya Jun. Okay? Hopefully, pag nagbalik po ako na CDO, ay magkita po tayo, Kuya Jun. Okay, so, game tayo, Miss Ping. Let's start. Doon muna tayo sa dalawang most common questions lagi
Yes,
pag
Doc. So, umpisahan natin po yung most common questions natin. So, unang tanong, Doc, ano po yung recommended age and dosage for C Supreme?
Sinabi na namin kanina, although ulitin ko po, sabi ng wife po si Dr. Villena, pag mga 500 milligrams na vitamin C, pwede mo naman simulan sa mga 15 years old. Lalo na kung yung kanyang height at weight, ang adult na. Kaya, pero para mas safe tayo, 18 years old. Kaya, pero sa mga pediatricians, 15 years old, basta po adult weight, adult height na po siya, pwede na. Pero if you will prescribe it na mas safe ka, 18 anyos. Now, again, ilan ang pwede mong ibigay yan ang dosage? Isa-isa lang talaga. Pero if you're suffering from cough, colds, flu, fever, okay, dengue, buti na lang wala na ako nababalitang COVID. Kasi hindi na siguro tayo nagpapa-examine ng COVID antigen. Okay? Flu is very common. Pneumonia, ay kailangan mo mag 2 times a day. Then you need to take 2 times a day of vitamin C, C Supreme. Pero nililinaw namin, Miss Ping, pag inom mo ng produkto, be sure to follow it at once with a glass of water. Tapos, banggitin ko na, Miss Ping, dapat makakawalo hanggang 10 baso ng tubig ka. Banggitin na natin ngayon, kailan mo dapat iwasan ang vitamin C pag may problema ka sa kidneys. Okay? Especially kung ang problema mo ay mabilis ka mag-form ng mga stones. Yan. Okay po? Okay? Now, Miss Ping, next question tayo.
Yes, Doc. So, thank you, Doc. Next is other products that we can combine with our C Supreme.
Depende sa needs mo eh. Pag ang gusto mo is a strong antioxidant, pwede ka magsabay ng C24/7 or ng complete. Pag ang gusto mo naman for the nerves, pwede mong sabayan niya ng Restore Life, yung mga resveratrol products. Tama po. Kung gusto mo naman, sinabi ko na yung wound healing kanina, Miss Ping. Kung wound healing naman ang habol mo, or para sa joints, para sa muscle, Glow 24/7. Or Barley Glow, pwede rin yan. Yan. So, depende po. To sum it up, basta as long as hindi palpak ang kidneys natin, pwede mong isabay yung ibang food supplements natin. Okay? Tapos, wala namang mga blood thinning medications, pwede mong isabay yung mga Restore Life, saka mga Vita Drink Mix, saka C24/7. Yeah. Ganun po. Okay? So, clear tayo? Siyempre, pinaka-safe sa lahat ng safe is Ultra H2. Okay? That will be the safest if you will be asking Miss Ping and yours truly about the products of HGG. Pero tayong mga healthy, paborito ko pa rin C24/7. Tapos, or complete. Ang iniinom namin ni Miss Ping, C Supreme, D Supreme. Yan. Siyempre, ito, Live and Coffee. Paborito ko yung Kyopi Glow. Yan. Ha? So, yun po eh. Enjoy the products of the company. You can take it safely once a day po. Okay? Tingnan mo na lang yung mga time na pwede mo siyang inumin. Basta food supplements po, 30 minutes before mealtime or 2 hours after meal. Although kami ni Miss Bing, we prefer 2 hours after mealtime. Pero pag may mga fat soluble, katulad po ng mga Colidus, na dapat meron kayo, especially sa December, Colidus, huwag kakalimutan. Saka D Supreme, that will be during mealtime naman po. Pero yung mga burn products, it will be best taken 30 minutes bago ka kumain. Good. Sinabi na natin lahat, Miss Ping. Okay,
Yes.
now let's start. Game na tayo.
Yes. Game na. Punta na tayo sa ating virtual consultation. So, magpadala na kayo ng mga tanong nyo kaagad-agad. So, una kong nakita dito from Reb Carl Montero.
Si Reb.
So, ito yung tanong niya ni Reb. Ano daw po yung best time na ipainom yung complete para sa buntis na strengthen the immune system against?
Nilalakad ko yung fellow na now we're called as AGG. Okay, the medical congratulations, lahat ng events na ginagawa nyo dyan, talagang success.
Oo.
Kasi yung success ng ating mga country